After seeing a rise of more than 32,000% after its initial public offering in July, Amtd has experienced another wave of enigmatic growth. But does this justify purchasing it? Find out as we discuss, is Amtd Digital stock a buy? Amtd Digital Mindblowing Soared Up. HKD Stock News. A division of Amtd Idea Group, a subsidiary of the Amtd Group of Enterprises, is Amtd Digital. It holds a 97% stake in Amtd Digital. Amtd Digital Inc. is a business that develops a digital platform to offer the general public financial, marketing, and investment solutions. The firm is headquartered in central Hong Kong and was established in 2019. The company's platform keeps track of the technology landscape, financial analysis, and competitive landscape. On July 15, the shares were publicly traded. Amtd Digital stock lost 18.3% over the past month, compared to losses of 6.0% for the iShares and 4.0% for the S&P 500. On September 7, 2022, Amtd Digital Inc. Sync's US-listed shares increased by a record 312%. This sparked several volatile trading holds. Around 1.5 million shares were bought, a significant increase of more than 5,500% from the daily average over the previous 10 days. Amtd Digital stock's market value is approximately $27 billion. The share price of Amtd Digital's New York debut was $7.80 in July. Even though Amtd's digital stock price increased by more than 30% on August 3rd, Disney was still outperformed by it. This increase occurred precisely 2 months after its IPO and breaks. Although Amtd lost 18.3% over the past month, its price growth is anticipated to be 8.02%. Let's discuss this later. This platform is not intended to serve as a substitute for the advice of a professional financial advisor or as a planning or investment tool. When investing, always conduct your research. On Wednesday, October 5th, HKD stock rose 241.4%. As trading volume increased to nearly 892,800 from 37,440 shares about a month ago, the store has been placed on hold due to its volatility since Wednesday's opening. News regarding the rally was non-existent. Since reaching its peak on August 2nd of $2,555, the stock has been trending downward. The Hong Kong dollar closed on Tuesday, September 13th at $46, more than 98% below its peak. Subscribing to this channel is the only way to access our content, so if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. The HKD stock's tiny free float is the problem. Amtd is only interested in selling 19 million of the 185 million of its shares. Amtd Digital sells for 43.75 on October 5th. While the daily predicted return is currently at 11.47%, the price growth on the upcoming news is anticipated to be 8.02%. Amtd Digital is expected to appreciate a price increase of 47.09, with an average hype of -11.88 and hype of 8,591.07 for the entity. The link's promotion on Amtd Digital has a volatility of roughly 6,016.41%, with a price prediction of 31.87 after the following announcement by the competitor. Amtd Digital has a return on assets of 2.35%. This means if you invest $100, you'll make $2.35 in profit. Not only is Amtd stock price growth expected to be 8.02%, but we'll soon discuss its 12-month revenue. Nothing in this video should be taken as expert financial advice. Do your research before investing. Similarly, it displays an 8.24% return on shareholders' equity. Amtd Digital management efficiency ratios can assess the organization's general operations, asset and liability management, and routine business operations. Because so many investors are transacting back and forth in Amtd Digital, the stock's increase is impressive. According to forecast, assets under management (AUM) will expand by high single digits in 2022. AUM levels will likely remain under pressure due to near-term market volatility and shifting sector allocations. The price-earnings ratio for Amtd Idea Group is at 2.1, with a profit margin of 148.8%. Amtd's 12-month revenue is $108.8 million. The most recent quarterly revenue rise over the prior year was 601.7%. The sub-industry index fell 13.5% year-to-date through March 18, 2022, while the S&P 1500 index fell 6.2%. Robert Arnott believes, in investing, What is comfortable is rarely profitable. Rising interest rates might be advantageous for businesses. In 2021, bond funds increased 4.6% to $13.7 trillion. 19% of the total assets of the fund were bonded. For many businesses in this sector, the expansion of assets under management (AUM) is a crucial motivator. Amtd assets reached $71.1 trillion at the end of 2021, a 13% increase from $63 trillion at the end of 2020. In 2021, equity assets increased by 19% to $33.6 trillion. Money market accounts rose by 6.0% to $8.8 trillion and made up 12% of assets.
These accounts are offered by banks and credit unions and are very similar to deposit and savings accounts. However, they provide investors with higher interest rates, therefore you can generate higher yields.
Our content is for informational purposes only. Do not misconstrue any of our materials or information as legal, tax, or financial investment advice. Always endeavor to do your research before making any investment. With many investors paying attention to Ethereum, the network has become choked, making it expensive and challenging to make transactions. Still, Ethereum introduced some solutions that make it easy, fast, and cheap to make transactions on the network. Watch our video, What is Optimism Layer 2? Ethereum Layer 2 Scaling Solution to know more. Thanks for your time.